Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the virtual makeup week. We have received so much love and positive response from you, and we're really grateful for that. So let the love and positivity keep flowing. Before I announce the session for today and introduce you to our artist for today, I have some amazing news for you. We are organizing a masterclass for foundation makeup this weekend to be presented by ace makeup artists Vipul and Shamli Bhagat, and we would love you to be a part of it. During this session right now, we'll be running a contest for you guys on Facebook. All you have to do is answer a simple question, and you will get some amazing discounts for the masterclass. So stay tuned and let the comments flow in. Right now, we'll be presenting to you a session by ace makeup artist Avleen Bansal of Makeup Studio. She'll be presenting to you airbrushing techniques. Now, what is important about this is she will be telling us how airbrush makeup can be used in this whole COVID-19 scenario. And she'll be giving out a lot of technical information and detailing for you. So stay tuned. Hello, Avleen.
Hi, Kanishka. How are you?
I'm good. I'm very well. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
Right. So I can see you're all set for the session. So over to you. All the best.
Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. This is Avleen Bansal from Makeup Studio, and I hope everyone is staying safe and taking proper safety measures for yourself and your family. So let's get started with our session for today. So our today's topic is all airbrushed. And if you see, I think it's not a new term that everyone has heard, but airbrushing, it is one of the beautiful technique of doing makeup in which you barely touch your model's face, which is again, if you see, it's one of the benefit of airbrush because it's a very hygienic way of doing makeup. And post lockdown, I think people gonna switch to airbrush technique. Of course, people were like उनको बहुत ज़्यादा airbrush बहुत पसंद है लोगों को, but I think post lockdown लोग ज़्यादा prefer करेंगे airbrush makeup use करने के लिए. So before starting the demonstration, I would like to brief a little more about airbrush. So basically the question comes, what is airbrush makeup, right? So it is very different from the traditional manual technique used. जो हमारी मैनुअल मेकअप टेक्निक होती है उसके अंदर हम ब्रशेस का यूज करते हैं, हम स्पॉन्जेस का यूज करते हैं. बट एयरब्रश में यस कुछ कुछ पॉइंट्स ऐसे होते हैं, कुछ कुछ चीजें होती हैं जो आपको एयरब्रश यूज ब्रशेस आपके जो मैनुअल ब्रशेस होते हैं वो यूज करने पड़ते हैं. बट यस 90% वी कैन स्किप दोज brush application and we can do complete makeup using airbrush. So airbrush machine basically एक इक्विपमेंट होती है, एक मशीन होती है जिसके थ्रू हम मेकअप करते हैं, जिसमें एक कंप्रेसर होता है, एक पाइप होती है और एक गन होती है. बेसिकली जो गन होती है उसके थ्रू आप जो भी मेकअप का प्रोडक्ट है वो स्प्रे करते हैं फेस पे, एंड जितना भी प्रोडक्ट है वो एक फाइन मिस्ट फॉर्म में बाहर आता है. सो जो पार्टिकल साइज होता है मिस्ट का दैट इज वेरी स्मॉल, तभी इट गिव्स अ वेरी नाइस इवन लेयर ऑन द स्किन. सो दैट्स व्हाई बोला जाता है कि एयरब्रश मेकअप बहुत ही फ्लॉलेस एंड बहुत ही इवन टोन देता है. सो दैट वाज अगेन वन बेनिफिट ऑफ एयरब्रश. देन टॉकिंग अबाउट मशीन, जो कंप्रेसर होता है वो अलग अलग प्रेशर लेवल्स पे काम करता है. सो डिपेंडिंग कि आप फेस पे क्या वर्क कर रहे हो, आप आई मेकअप कर रहे हो या आप फाउंडेशन अप्लाई कर रहे हो या आप कॉन्टोरिंग कर रहे हो, अकॉर्डिंगली आप प्रेशर को सेट करते हैं. जितना गन को आप क्लोजली आप फेस के लेके आएंगे आप प्रेशर उतना कम रखेंगे, जितना आप गन को दूर लेके जाएंगे प्रेशर आप इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. एंड एयरब्रश ऐसी टेक्निक है कि आप उससे सिर्फ फेस मेकअप नहीं, यू कैन डू बॉडी आर्ट एज वेल. सो बहुत बॉडी आर्टिस्ट जो है वो एयरब्रश मशीन यूज करते हैं टू क्रिएट ब्यूटिफुल इफेक्ट्स ऑन द बॉडी. देन सिंपली अगर हम बेनिफिट्स की बात करें, नंबर वन बेनिफिट वुड बी एयरब्रश इज वेरी क्विक. तो आपका जो टाइम मैनुअली लगता है मेकअप करने में, आपका उससे कम टाइम में आपका एयरब्रश से आप मेकअप कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. Then second point is it gives you even and flawless finish, but if you apply it properly. So उसके लिए you have to practice and you have to learn airbrush techniques. Then the third point is it gives you the true color of your product. बेसिकली जब भी हम मैनुअली मेकअप करते हैं तो उस केस में आपका फाउंडेशन जब आप अप्लाई करते हैं आधे घंटे बाद वो ऑक्सीडाइज होता है। बट एयर ब्रश ऐसी टेक्निक है कि उसके अंदर आप जब स्प्रे करते हैं एयर के थ्रू आपका प्रोडक्ट आपके फेस पे पहुंच रहा है, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली ऑक्सीडाइज होता हुआ आपकी स्किन के ऊपर सेटल होता है। सो बेसिकली आपको फिर एक ट्रू कलर मिलता है जो भी आप प्रोडक्ट अप्लाई कर रहे हैं। Then of course it is a very hygienic way of applying makeup because you are not touching model space, आप बहुत ज्यादा टच नहीं कर रहे हो, आप गन को होल्ड करके पूरा मेकअप स्प्रे कर रहे हो, so it is very hygienic and you have to see एयर ब्रश के अंदर कहाँ पे आप ऐसे स्टेप्स हैं जो आपको मैनुअली आपको मेकअप अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। If someone has very pigmented skin, in that case you need to do a little bit of concealing manually. आपके जो creamy concealers या liquid concealers आते हैं वो यूज करके आप थोड़ा सा pigmentations को हाइड कीजिए and after that directly go with the air brush, right? Then talking about the products, अब एयर ब्रश मशीन के अंदर क्या प्रोडक्ट्स यूज होते हैं? इट्स नॉट योर नॉर्मल फाउंडेशन जो आप यूज कर रहे हैं वो नहीं यूज होते हैं, क्योंकि एयर ब्रश में जो आपका प्रोडक्ट है बहुत ही फाइन मिस्ट की तरह फॉर्म में बाहर निकलता है। सो यू नीड समथिंग ऑफ वेरी थिन कंसिस्टेंसी, बहुत ही पतला प्रोडक्ट आपको चाहिए होता है। सो उस केस में आप जो फाउंडेशन होते हैं, जो आई पिगमेंट्स होते हैं एयर ब्रश के, दोज आर डिफरेंटली फॉर्मुलेटेड एंड डिफरेंट फॉर्मूलाज में आते हैं। बट seeing इंडियन क्लाइमेट एंड हमारा जो भी यहाँ की वेदर कंडीशंस हैं, डिफरेंट चाहे रीजन्स हो, यहाँ पे हमें जरूरत होती है वाटरप्रूफ मेकअप की। सो इन दैट केस अ सिलिकॉन बेस्ड फाउंडेशन इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट। सो मेकअप स्टूडियो में जो हमारा एयर ब्रश का फाउंडेशन है दैट इज सिलिकॉन बेस्ड एंड इट इज कंप्लीटली वाटरप्रूफ एंड इट इज like it gives you such a good coverage and it is buildable. तो आप चाहे layers में काम करें, चाहे आप single layer में काम करें, you get a good amount of coverage with our airbrush foundation. Then airbrush की different machines आती हैं. We have 3 kinds of packages, package 1, 2 and 3. So different package जो हमारे हैं, those are basically for different clients जिनकी उनकी need, उनकी requirement के हिसाब से हमारे packages हैं. So we have airbrush auto stop. So basically that is a heavy duty airbrush compressor. So वो salons हैं, जो salon owners हैं, they can use that airbrush auto stop because it's heavy in weight, it's heavy duty and उसके साथ आप 4 guns तक attach कर सकते हैं. So एक टाइम में आप 4 मेकअप्स कर सकते हैं. Then we have mini air compressor. Basically that is also heavy duty but it is again portable. आप उसको बहुत easily carry भी कर सकते हैं because उसका weight इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. Then the third one is our Beetle. So Beetle is very light, compact, but it has high performance. So it's a very tiny machine. It just weighs 600 grams. So आप imagine कर सकते हो कि कितना lightweight है. You can in fact carry in your handbag as well. So आज का जो हम demonstration है, I'll be using that Beetle compressor. I'll just show you how it looks. So that's our Beetle compressor. So it's a very small size and just it weighs 600 grams. And there is the gun in the holder. So there is a holder if you can see. And this is the regulator. So यहाँ से हम pressure को regulate करते हैं. So basically जो हमारा एयर ब्रश का जो मशीन है Beetle, so if I talk about this machine, it has a smart stop technology. Smart stop, not auto stop. So basically जहाँ पे हम गन को होल्ड करते हैं, इसका जो होल्डर है, it has got a sensor. जैसे ही आप एयर ब्रश में वर्क कर रहे हो, आप you put your gun in that holder, your compressor stops. It goes to a pause state. So आपको बार switch off नहीं करना पड़ता है. You just put it on the holder and आपका machine जो है वो pause state में चला जाता है. And once you pick up your gun, again it starts from the same pressure जहाँ पे आपने gun को रखा था. So that's a very good technology. And talking about the gun, it is a dual action gun, but you can also convert it into single action. And gun has a limiter. That is one really interesting thing about the gun, this gun has a limiter here, जिससे आप जो गन का एयर फ्लो है उसको आप लिमिट कर सकते हैं. अगर मैं इस लिमिटर को फुल टाइट मोड में रखती हूँ उस केस में यू कैन ड्रॉ इनफैक्ट अ वेरी फाइन लाइन विद दिस गन. अगर मैं लिमिटर को पूरा ओपन रखती हूँ यू कैन डू योर फाउंडेशन वेरी इजीली, बहुत अच्छे से स्प्रेड होके आपका फाउंडेशन आएगा. So with this particular gun, you can do eyeliners, you can do fine lines. आप बहुत easily eye makeup कर सकते हैं, and of course your body art, your foundation, you can do everything, right? So now let's start with our demonstration. We have our beautiful model Devna with us. I think सबने पिछले demonstration में भी देवना को देखा था. So let's begin with the makeup. We have already cleansed her skin. नेक्स्ट हम जो अब जो मैनुअल स्टेप्स हमारे रहेंगे दोस विल बी वेरी लाइक आई टोल्ड यू 90% वी विल बी यूजिंग एयर ब्रश एंड जस्ट 10% इट विल बी ऑल मैनुअल. सो जो फर्स्ट हमारा जो स्टेप रहेगा दैट विल बी मॉइस्चराइजिंग द फेस. सो आई विल बी यूजिंग आवर डे एंड नाइट 24 आवर मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रीम. सो दैट्स द प्रोडक्ट. So I'm taking the moisturizer on spatula. Spreading it nicely. All over the face. So today I feel her skin is a little dry. So I'm applying a little more moisturizer. एयर ब्रश में आपको एक चीज का बहुत ध्यान रखना होता है that you have to blend everything very nicely because इसके अंदर हम जो स्पॉन्ज हैं वो ऑलमोस्ट ना के बराबर हम यूज करते हैं. सो इन दैट केस यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि आप जो भी चीजें अप्लाई कर रहे हैं आप बहुत ही स्मूथली अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई एम गोना यूज इज आवर प्री बेस व्हिच इज द फेस प्राइमर जो आपके मेकअप को लॉन्गर लास्टिंग बनाता है. आई एम यूजिंग अ फाउंडेशन ब्रश टू अप्लाई द प्रोडक्ट. I have basically moisturized her face and applied eye primer. Oh, sorry, the face primer. But of course, airbrush में भी हम पहले eye makeup से ही start करेंगे. I could have done these steps later on, but I felt her skin was quite dry, so हमने पहले ही moisturize कर दिया है and हमने pre-base apply कर दिया है. So now we will start with the eye makeup first. So today we are doing a bridal look. So we will be using shades of gold for the eyes, and of course we will give a nice smoky effect to her eyes. So this is how the airbrush products look like. So if you see, it comes in such kind of bottle. And airbrush की जो products हैं, especially silicone based, you have to shake those products really well before putting in the gun. So जो gun है उसका ये जो part होता है इसको हम बोलते हैं, some people call it cup, some people call it funnel. तो इसके अंदर हम product को pour करते हैं, but you have to shake the product really nicely before putting in this. So जो first shade है हम gold लेंगे, but before that, to get a nice shape, what we are going to do is I'm going to apply a masking tape on her face. So I'm following her natural eye shape to apply the masking tape. Similarly, other side. Looks pretty. Yeah. So I'm going to shape the product nicely. We'll put in our gun. So I have taken about 10 drops. We'll switch on the machine. So before putting on the eyes, we always test the product on a dry tissue so that we can see if the color is coming out nicely, right? Because sometimes what happens कि आपने अगर gun by any chance there is some residue left, पहले का कोई color रहता है आपके gun के अंदर, so there is a chance कि वो shade आपके eyelids पे आ जाए. So in that case, you have to make sure कि आप पहले tissue पे product को निकालेंगे and then you will do your makeup. So I'm going to use this in the inner corners and the center of the eyelid. It's a beautiful color. It's called as spray on hair pigments. So these are specifically designed for eyeshadow. And you have to make sure that your model, she keeps her eye completely closed while doing airbrush because it's a liquid product. And उसको थोड़ा dry होने के लिए हमें time देना होता है. So एक बारी में ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको बहुत सारा product apply करना है. आप bit by bit apply कीजिए. You can create layers. अगर आप एक ही बहुत thick layer देंगे, so it will take time to get dry. So मैंने अपना जो pressure है वो बिल्कुल lowest mode पे रखा है. अब मैं प्रेशर थोड़ा इंक्रीज करके हम ड्राई करेंगे हमारे प्रोडक्ट को. तो जब तक आई कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाती, मेक श्योर दैट योर क्लाइंट और योर मॉडल दे डजंट ओपन देयर आईज. So now how the gun works. जब आप गन को प्रेस करते हैं, in that case just the air comes out. जब आप प्रेस करते हुए पीछे की तरफ पुल करते हैं तो आपका प्रोडक्ट आता है. तो अभी मैं सिर्फ गन को प्रेस करके, जो ट्रिगर है प्रेस करके मैं ड्राई कर रही हूँ प्रोडक्ट को. I feel I can add a little more product on this eye. Yes. Now, before moving on to the next product, we will take out this extra bolt from our gun. Now, next important thing in airbrush is your airbrush cleanser. So that's the airbrush cleanser. It's very important क्योंकि जब भी आप color change करते हैं अपने gun के अंदर, so you need a cleanser ताकि आप जो पिछला shade है उसको अच्छे से आप clean करके gun से बाहर निकालें, and then you can switch to the other shade. So I've poured the cleanser in my gun, and then I'm taking all the extra gold from it. Yeah. So now we are ready for the next color. So जो next shade मैं use करने वाली हूँ, it's gonna be a plum color. That's the shade. The shade name is plum. We will shake the product nicely. I am just taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drops of plum. And to make it little lighter, because in transition color up karenge, I am taking another shade which is called rose pink. So I took 6 drops of plum shade, and then I am taking 3 drops of rose pink. Now, how to mix? So mixing ke liye, we will put our finger at the front and we will pull the trigger backwards. Press and pull. So we get little bubbling effect inside the gun, जिससे हमारे product mix हो रहा है. Yeah. So once it's mixed, we will take out the product on the tissue just to see if we have appropriate color. Yes, it's coming out to be perfect. So I'm going to use it as my transition shade. Again, the pressure है gun compressor का, that is on the lowest mode. Applying it in the transition area. You have to go very slowly and watching where the color you are applying, right? Similarly on the other side. We will just use the dry air. More intense I'm making. Just in the crease. Now we'll keep the pressure full. Dry करेंगे हमारे transition shade को. The next shade that I'm going to use is a black color. So before that, we will take out all the extra product. So again, I'm going to put some cleanser in my gun. And take out the extra product. I will take the black. That's the black air pigment we are using now. तो शेक करेंगे हम प्रोडक्ट को. I took just 4 drops of black. Pressure mode again हम बिल्कुल लो पे रखेंगे. And I will take apply that black in the outermost corner. Very slowly. We are giving the shaded effect with our black. So you can just see, it's such a good blending of it. It's great. Airbrush is one technique in which you can get really nice blending effects. So I'm intensifying that black in the outermost corners. We will just use the air to dry our black air pigment. Just the air. Now after this, what we're going to do is, now we will manually pat. So see how quick it was and so nice blending we have got with the airbrush. Now quickly we will pat with our manual eyeshadows because these were liquid, right? So liquid को आपको एक बार एक pack करना पड़ता है with your powder product. So I'm using our EP072 palette and I'm using this shade Golden Glamour. बहुत ही lightly आपको सिर्फ एक dust off करना है आपके eyeshadow पे. So बहुत ही lightly मैंने product pick किया and I'm just dusting off over the eyeshadow, the airbrush eyeshadow. Just to make sure कि कोई creasing ना आए when she opens her eye. So जैसे ही हम अपने फाउंडेशन को ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर से सेट करते हैं, सिमिलरली हमने अपने एयर ब्रश आई शैडो को बहुत ही हल्का सा प्रोडक्ट लेके सेट कर रहे हैं. Next, we will take the black color for black, I'm going to use our EP071 palette, my personal palette. So that's all mattes, and I'm going to use number 9 brush to apply the black eyeshadow, right? So it's a Pro brush number 9, which is a fluffy brush. So we will just dust off a little black. So that it's nicely packed and sealed. Similarly on the other side. For the transition, I'm going to make a similar color. I'm going to just mix these two to get our transition shade, the similar one. So instead of tip of the brush, same brush I'm using, number 9, I'm going to take the product on my tip of the brush. Make sure that the transition shade is also intact. A little more black on that side. Now she can open her eyes. We have sealed all our eyeshadow. Now, next, what I'm going to do is just quickly clean my gun with the cleanser and take out all the black color. So, one thing, if you have noticed, we don't have any fallouts in airbrush. अदरवाइज जब हम मैनुअली हम आई शेडोज अप्लाई कर रहे होते हैं, ब्लेंड कर रहे होते हैं, काफी ज्यादा फॉल आउट्स होते हैं, बट इन दिस केस वी डोंट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ फॉल आउट्स. सो अब हम फाउंडेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे, हमारा फेस का हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो बिफोर दैट यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि आपका जो गन है वो बहुत अच्छे से क्लीन हो, बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट कि ब्लैक या गोल्ड या आपका कोई भी दूसरा शेड आपके फाउंडेशन के साथ मिक्स होके आए. So before that, we will remove the masking tape. You see, we have got such a nice shape using this. So we don't have any fallouts, but I'm just using wet wipe to clean her inner corners of the eye. There is little extra product there. Just below lash line. So we have already used our moisturizer and pre-base for her face. Now next we're going to jump onto our airbrush spray on air moisturizer. So that's the moisturizer. It's a transparent moisturizer. So it really hydrates the face and it acts as a really nice base for your foundations and concealers to hold on. So I'm taking again 10 drops of spray on air moisturizer. So pressure में medium रख रही हूँ. And we're gonna spray it all over the face. Now guys, one thing that we have to be careful of is basically अब हमारा eye makeup हो चुका है. So you need to take a lot more care when you will be working around the eye area because you don't want to spoil your eye makeup. So आपको बहुत ही carefully products को apply करना है. Once you have applied this, the next, just I'll make sure if there was some moisturizer on the eyes, उसको हम dry कर लेंगे. अभी मैं सिर्फ air spray कर रही हूँ. Now next, we're gonna do concealing with our spray on air foundations only. So हम इस तरह के shades pick करेंगे जो concealer का काम करें. So the first shade that I'm going to use is called Sun-Kissed. Now these are spray on air foundation. So earlier जो हमने eyes के लिए use करे, those for spray on air pigments. These are spray on air foundations. So shade name is Sun-Kissed. It's a nice medium toned shade which has orange undertones. And as you all know, orange जो color होता है वो हमारे blue problems को cancel out करता है. Basically your dark circles, your dark pigmentation. So we'll shake the product nicely. And I'm taking 5 drops. So initially हमेशा कम लीजिए आप product and then of course you can build. So बिल्कुल low pressure पे हम use करेंगे. So now the main thing is your gun has to be at some angle. जब आप मॉडल के फेस के अगेंस्ट आप वर्क करोगे एक एंगल पे होना चाहिए, स्ट्रेट नहीं होना चाहिए फेस की, बिकॉज देयर इज अ चांस कि आप उनके जो प्रोडक्ट आईज के अंदर जा सकता है या नोज में जा सकता है. देयर हैज टू बी सम काइंड ऑफ एंगल. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट इन द अंडर एरिया. Basically, it's a very orangey kind of shade, which looks orange, but it cancels all the dark pigmentations. We need some more product. Every time you use the product, you have to shake it very nicely and then use.
Hello, Avleen. Kanishka here. Can you hear me?
Yes, Kanishka.
Avleen, there is a question from the viewer. They want to know the the palette number of the eyeshadows that you're using.
Okay. So we used our Lumiere palette EP072, which was this. These are baked eyeshadows.
Okay.
EP072, and I used Golden Glamour shade. And then next, I used our matte palette, EP071. This was the palette.
Okay, thank you so much, Avi.
So this is one of the important steps. And guys, trust me, ये आपके मेकअप को बहुत ही ज़्यादा improve करेगा by doing concealing also with your airbrush products. Because generally क्या करते हैं हम, क्या step follow करते हैं हम, manually conceal करते हैं with our creamy or liquid concealer, and then हम use करते हैं हमारा airbrush foundation, but in that case आप बहुत ज़्यादा layering हो जाती है. And I think for some people it is very sensitive क्योंकि air एकदम से जैसे ही touch करता है face को, people feel little claustrophobic, या बहुत ही ज़्यादा sensitive लगता है. That's okay. You have to make sure they are comfortable. So हमेशा low pressure पे ही work कीजिए. We have concealed her eye area. Now around the mouth, I'm using same product. So you have to analyze. आपको अच्छे से देखना है कि कहाँ पे आपको pigmentations visible है या कहाँ पे कुछ uneven लग रहा है. It's not कि airbrush है तो बस आप फटाफट उसको face के around आप उसको use कर रहे हैं. Now with the air, just the air हम dry करेंगे. So layer by layer, whatever layer you are applying, you have to make sure कि आप उसको dry कर रहे हैं side by side. Same product I'm taking for her forehead as well. So for forehead, I am mixing two shades basically. One is Sunkissed and the other one is Desert Sand. So I'm mixing both of the colors. Pressure medium पे रखेंगे. थोड़ा सा हम जो लिमिटर है उसको लूज करेंगे so that we get nice spread. This now forehead is a larger area. Initially हमने लिमिटर को बिल्कुल टाइट रखा था, हमें जो उसका स्क्रू है I'm using small circular movements. Product is over and we have pretty much concealed her forehead. So now just the air to make sure. So now her face looks very even toned. So we have done color correction using our spray on air foundations. Now after this, we will be taking shades which are 1 or 2 tone lighter than her skin tone. So I'm just using air, हम अच्छे से air से dry कर रहे हैं जो भी products लगाए हैं उनको. Yeah. So next shades that I'm going to use is, I have taken olive shade spray on air foundation in the shade olive. फिर आपको शेक करेंगे. And medium pressure पे हम apply करेंगे. So I always like to start from the center of the face because वो particular area होता है जहाँ पे आपको आपके फाउंडेशन को सबसे लाइटर रखना होता है and आपके प्रोडक्ट की क्वांटिटी मैक्सिमम नहीं होनी चाहिए. Level by level, I'm going down in circular movements, and यही best तरीका होता है even tone के लिए. We'll add some more product. Actually, now see the difference between. Right? Chin area. The lips. Getting very nice dewy finish. We will add more product for the forehead now. So I took 8 drops for this side, 8 for this side, and you can say like 4 drops for nose and chin area. And now for the forehead again 8 drops. We will start from the center of the forehead. Remaining product I'm using on the chin side. Yeah. So next again I'm gonna use just air to make sure everything is dry. प्रेशर रखेंगे। So we have got a nice even tone foundation. अब हम हाइलाइटिंग के लिए वन शेड लाइटर प्रोडक्ट यूज करेंगे just under the eye area. Almost dry. Next, I am taking the lighter shade. So I am taking shade bamboo and almond. मैं ये दोनों शेड्स मिक्स करके एक हाइलाइटिंग शेड क्रिएट कर रही हूँ, bamboo and almond. So it's like 4 drops of bamboo and 2 drops of almond. मिक्स करेंगे हम शेड्स को यूजिंग बैक बबलिंग टेक्निक। You can see this side is looking highlighted. Nose bridge. Chin area, so all the highlighter areas of the face. And little bit on center of the forehead. Now we will use the air to make sure everything is dry. And almost by this time I can see जो हमने फाउंडेशन का जो लेयर दिया है वो वैसे भी ड्राई हो चुका है बहुत अच्छे से। Next, contouring. So now before contouring, I will clean my gun with the cleanser. ताकि जो भी फाउंडेशन है वो हम गन से क्लीन कर देंगे। Now for contouring, I'm going to use our Air foundation. Yeah, so we're going to use our Air bronzer. And I'm using matte shade. इसके अंदर हमारा एक matte आता है और एक shimmer आता है. So I'm using air bronzer in the shade matte. So you have to shake and then pour into your pan. So I took again 8 drops. So before putting on the face, some tissue paper transparently. Yeah, so we are getting proper shape. Very pretty color for Indian skin. बहुत ही natural इसका effect आता है. You can basically see gives such a nice natural and blended effect. This side. प्रोडक्शन थोड़ा सा और लेंगे. So I'm taking again 8 more drops. And now for the nose, मैं प्रेशर बिल्कुल मिनिमम पे रखूंगी. Next, I'll take out all the extra product from the gum. Use cleanser because next हमारा जो step रहेगा that will be blusher. So for blusher I want कि मेरी gum बिल्कुल अच्छे से clean हो. So अगर एक बार ही clean नहीं होता है, you can always double cleanse. दोबारा से cleanser डाल के. Yes, now it's pretty clean. So next, जो हमारा रहेगा blusher. So I am taking 2 shades for blusher. One is Coral Crush and the other one is Powder Pink. So these are basically spray on air blushers. So I'm going to use these 2 shades. 50-50 quantity में हम इसको mix कर रहे हैं. Coral Crush and Powder Pink. So first we will shake the product. So I'm taking 3 drops of Coral Crush. And 3 drops of Powder Pink. Yeah. We will mix. Before applying on the cheeks, we will try it on the tissue first. So I'm going to take a got a tissue. Tissue को हम give him a nice pink shade. प्रेशर को हम अगेन मीडियम पे रखेंगे. I'm applying blusher from a distance so that you get a nice blended effect. And initially, हम blusher को थोड़ा सा strong रखेंगे because once we powder the face, हमारा blusher है वो बिल्कुल tone down हो जाएगा. So that's again one important tip to follow. Keep your blusher color quite strong. And थोड़ा हम air से blusher को dry करेंगे. Now, before moving on to the highlighter, we will powder the face with translucent powder. So that's one thing you have to always keep in mind कि airbrush का जो वो glow है, आपको अगर वो चाहिए, जो highlighter का जो effect आता है airbrush का, you can get a very nice effect अगर आप highlighter है वो powdering के बाद apply करते हैं. So I am using our translucent powder, extra fine in shade number 1. Very lightly we will dust it all over the face. People who have really dry skin now, if you see, the blusher is looking so much blended. So that's why I told you initially, जब भी आप airbrush कर रहे हैं, keep your blusher a little stronger, because once you powder, automatically आपका light हो जाता है. And आप बहुत light पहले से ही लगाएंगे, so it will not show up. So I'm using minimum quantity of powder.
Hi, Avleen. We have one more question from the audience. Cynthia Fernandez is asking for darker skin tone, which blush shade is ideal?
Darker tones, of course, we will not use the lighter pink or some kind of coral, but yes, we have got this beautiful shade for darker skin tones, which is called Orchid.
Okay.
Looks like little purple, but it is more of like mauve tone. And this particular color you can mix with your pink, with your coral, and it gives such a beautiful blush effect for deeper skin tones. So that's
all right.
Basically, you can always opt for shades which are little towards more blue undertones, fuchsia, plum, such kind of colors.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Avleen.
So with the airbrush and with airbrush concealing, I can hardly see any kind of fine lines under the eye area. We have got such a smooth finish in her under eye area. Now, after this, we will first complete her eye look. So I'm gonna go to my Pro kit, which is in powder form, which has stencils, which has a blue-ended brush, one side angled, one side rounded, brow powder, and a highlighter. I'm using the brow powder. For the eyes, we're going to do a nice smudgy eyeliner for the eyelids. But for that, again, I need to take out the blusher out of the gun. So we will be using our airbrush, air pigment in the shade Emerald to apply a nice smudged eyeliner. But before that, the important step is basically to do the bottom lash line first. So for bottom lash line, I'm going to use our Colorproof Eye Definer pencil in the shade black. So that's the Colorproof Eye Definer pencil. So I'm going to apply it in the inside the waterline. As it's a bridal look, we're going to take it a little out also. Waterline will be applied by right outside the waterline as well. So that we get nice cold red lines. Kajal and koals, they are like essential part of a bridal makeup look, especially for Asian brides. I'm going to take a small brush just to make sure that from the bottom area, my kajal is very smooth and blended. So I'm just using a clean brush to smudge my eyeliner pencil a little bit. Next, so as I told, we're going to use our spray on air pigment in the shade Emerald for smudgy liner. I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drops, minimum pressure. And now we will make sure that the limiter, this particular limiter, is completely completely tight because we need a very fine line. So now we will try it on the tissue to make it more tighter. Yeah. Now, just to protect our foundation, I'm putting the tissue as close. So we've given a nice green, nice close. I don't know if it is visible, but it looks really beautiful. Now the other side, put a tissue just to secure our foundation. Intensify on this side also. Not doing a bridal look, airbrush is really helpful for fashion makeup artists as well, because for the fashion eyeshadows, the kind of eye looks and eye makeup they do, colorful liners, it's very quick, very easy to do. As you see, so we've got a nice green eyeliner. So I'm going to take the product out and we will be now switching. We will be applying now highlighter and then lips. So I'm taking out my green color. Some little cleanser. So for highlighter, we have two color options. One is called as Peach Glow and the other one is Lilac Glow. So for these now, I am going to use our Lilac Glow highlighter. Basically, we're going to use both of them, but we're going to layer them. So first of all, I am taking Lilac Glow. So just 3 drops. Medium pressure. We'll try it on the tissue first. It gives that unicorn kind of effect. This is of course lilac, pink and mauve tone. More drops. Now next, I'm going to mix, not mix, I'm going to add peach glow. It looks like a skin toned highlighter. Let's take out on the tissue first. Now lastly, we have to do just the lip color and of course lashes. For lipstick, I'm going to take Spray On Air pigment in the shade Poppy Red. Poppy Red. And along with this, I'm mixing our Spray On Air blusher in the shade Red Rouge. So both are red. Poppy Red is more of a coral red and Red Rouge is a pure red color. Before applying, let's do some back bubbling. So basically, airbrush lip color will act as a matte base for my actual lipstick. So again, you have to be very precise. Again, you can go with your tissue. acts as a very nice base for my lipstick. So now for lipstick, I am using our XOXO red lip color. Along with that, I'm mixing Velvet Raspberry. So XOXO red and Velvet Raspberry. In these two colors, we have called a maroon. We've got a nice maroon kind of color. I'm outlining a little outside for natural lip lines to get a fuller effect. And we are almost the makeup look. I'll take off the extra lipstick on this side. So if you see with airbrush, there was no requirement of blending the foundation with the sponge or anything like that, right? Let's see. So we are left with our eyelashes and mascara so that you guys can have get a nice look out of it. I'll just by this time remove the cape also. We are doing our Mascara 4D False Lash Effect Extra Black. Nicely curling her lashes. You can see the effect of green that we have used on her eyes as a liner. It actually changed whole of our eye makeup look. Next, we will be applying our lashes. So for today, what I have done is I have used two pairs of our lashes. One is number 25 and other one is number 26. I have stick both the lashes together so that we get a nice fluttery effect. Using our eyelash adhesive, which comes I'm using. Semi-dry eyelash. You have to make sure that the lash goes semi-dry. Because I have to stick two lashes together, so उसका जो strip है वो काफी thick हो जाता है. So you have to press it very nicely against your lash line so that you make sure अच्छे से it's glued to the eyelids. Again and again pushing it. And I think we will refresh our green liner a little bit. Just leave it. दूसरी lash apply करेंगे अपन. Semi-dry it. How much difference lashes make. Just make sure कि glue कभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा ना हो. क्योंकि अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा भी अगर apply करेंगे, that is also a problem. It takes time to dry in that case. Apply. Yes. pushing it, holding it. Brush sticks on nicely. I'm going to quickly clean my airbrush gun with the cleanser, and we will add some green, that emerald shade we used. For liner touch-up. I'm putting some cleanser. Some more cleanser. Yeah. Next, I'm taking the emerald from Spray on Air Pigments. प्रेशर हम बिल्कुल लोएस्ट मोड पे रखेंगे. Yeah. And limiter again, we have to make sure that the limiter is tight so that we can get a fine line. Yeah. Try putting your eyes. Let's see that the eyelashes. We have refreshed our green eyeliner. Straight. Just use the air now. Try. Now the last step would be, of course, makeup fixer. But before that, let us add highlighting in the inner corners. So again, back to EP072 palette. And I'm using this luxurious lime color to highlight in the corners of the eye. As well. Shade is luxurious lime from our Lumiere eyeshadow collection. think we are almost done with the look. Lastly, we will use some makeup fixer. I'm using our makeup fixer. I hope you guys all like the look, and for any kind of makeup inquiry or makeup courses or regarding makeup studio products, you can call us at 011-4160-1987. So guys, I think you enjoyed our session today. And of course, I will be replying to all your questions in the comment section on Facebook Live. Can we have Kanishka and Hia back?
Yes. Hi, Avleen. I'm right here. Your model is looking absolutely gorgeous, and we loved the entire session, the way you took us through the whole thing. आपने airbrush makeup बहुत ही सरल तरीके से सिखा दिया, and I'm sure viewers अभी बहुत interested होंगे इसमें. दो सवाल है मेरे पास आपके लिए. एक तो अगर किसी को
sorry to interrupt you.
No, go ahead. Yes.
Let us complete the look with the bindi.
Okay, right.
And also we have her jewelry. So once she's ready, we can zoom and everybody can see. Zoom in her face. So guys, that's our final look for the airbrush bridal.
It's gorgeous, Avleen. Congratulations on creating this wonderful look. Okay, so my question to you was, अगर किसी को airbrush makeup kit खरीदना है या इसके बारे में और कुछ जानना है तो कैसे करें? आपको कांटेक्ट करना चाहिए या
you can contact us at Makeup Studio office, and the number is 011-4160-1987, and we will be putting the details in the comment section as well, so you guys can contact Makeup Studio for our airbrush packages.
Right. And there's one more question that I have. Advisable to mix regular makeup and airbrush?
As I told initially, when जब आपके पास बहुत ही pigmented skin आती है, in case you think कि airbrush से मुझे इतना strong coverage शायद नहीं मिल पाएगा और I'm not able to cover that kind of pigmentation, उस case में use manual concealers to hide those pigmentations, and then you can go with your airbrush. So you can, of course, there is no harm in like mixing both of the techniques.
Okay, thank you so much, Avleen. It was a lovely session, and I hope you take a lot of pictures of your model so that we are able to display it to our viewers.
Sure, of course we will.
Thank you.